more projects I got to get to before I get back on my Jeep.
Okay, this is my Jeep. You see I'm washing my Harley. It's been stuck in the garage for several months, got a lot of dust and stuff on it. Anyway, that's what I'm doing this morning. And I'm getting ready to wipe it down and do a little polishing here and there. Anyway, I'll get back with you after this is finished. This is another project. Looks like I'm gonna have to get to before I can get on my Jeep, you know, because we got hurricane season. Rainy season starts, I think, in May. Hurricane season in June. I can't get this thing started. It ran fine last year, you know. Well, last year, and about 6 months, about every 6 months, I started up and ran fine. Now it won't crank at all. So I could have a coil problem. I'm not sure. But later on I'm going to take the plug out, see if I got any fire. I could have the same problem that I had with the Subaru pressure washer. It could be the carburetor, so I'm also looking up carburetor for this thing. Anyway, looks like I'm going to have to get on this before I get on my Jeep, because I've got to have a generator. Never know, because we have severe thunderstorms sometimes that knocks out the power. My Jeep out. Okay, pretty much finished up with the pressure washer back here. Yesterday I also pressure washed my tow dolly, and I don't know if the noticed in the last video, but these fenders are real dirty. I'm gonna rust treat this also. I gotta service the anyway, get back to the trailer. I pressure washed the fender, in fact the entire trailer. I'm going to do some rust treatment, and I'm gonna have to service the bearings. I'll pull the wheels off, service the brakes, the electronic brakes, and the bearings. And I may try to sell this. You see the lights, I'm gonna have to get another light kit. I don't know if animals did that. I don't know if my dogs did it, but all my lights, the wires have been separated. I think some of the animals have probably rats, or I don't know. Dogs keep interrupting me. Anyway, I may try to sell this. Like, as I was saying, I'm going to have to get me a light kit for it, because a lot of the wires and the lights have been chewed through. Anyway, that's the last update on this video. I'm going to get it up and posted, and hopefully one of these days I'll get back on my Jeep, but I got to get these other projects done before because once I get on that Jeep, I got a lot of major work to do, and I'll be tied up on it for a while. My Jeep out. Hope to see you next time on the next My Jeep WJ update.